Welcome to our yoga community. Path to purpose and prosperity is the theme for our group. Thank you for joining. I am very excited that you are here. My mission in life is to bring out the true knowledge of yoga. I would like yoga teachers to realize that besides using yoga for toning the body, stress relief and wellness, or perhaps some meditation, they can use yoga to provide complete transformation to their clients and at the same time create an abundant life so they can make a huge impact and income to enjoy freedom of time and money as well as getting true fulfillment of serving their people. But you can't serve out of an empty cup, right? And to achieve this, the group is going to provide you and to achieve this, the group is going to provide you with two things. Number one, the knowledge, true yogic wisdom. This is cutting edge yoga. I am sure you have got the certification, perhaps 200, 300, 500 or even 1000 hours, or maybe you are an expert in yoga therapy or a master yoga teacher. But the fact of the matter is, if you are here, there must be a reason. The universe does not do anything randomly. I can guarantee you that you will not find this stuff anyplace else. And of course, we'll also discuss business strategies, marketing challenges, system strategies, or whatever challenges that are holding you back. So get comfortable. Let's share our stories and our journeys so we can create a shift in the collective consciousness. Look, the bottom line is you have to grow before your yoga business can grow. And secondly, I'd like this to be a safe space for all and provide group support to each other so each of us can be authentic and bring out the best in ourselves as a yoga teacher. We can own our voices, help eliminate the imposter syndrome. This is the most important part of the group. We all know it's all about energy. So, our goal is to help each other create energy that will break the boundaries and barriers between us. So, together we can create synergy. In other words, I would like you to come here to recharge your soul, your spirit, the source of real energy. Look, I'm 62 years of age. I have lived my life and it's been a great journey. I have realized that we did not come here on this earth with anything and we cannot take any material stuff with us. But we need to grow and experience life through this material stuff. So I am not apologetic for anything that I say and I have been blessed. Our love and our bond, the energy between us is the only thing that's going to go when we leave this earth. So be who you are, do what you love, get paid well and live fearlessly. That's the motto of this group. And let's begin our journey together. First of all, please take some time to introduce yourself to the group. Let us know who you are, not just your name and designation, but go deeper. Give us a synopsis. Give us a synopsis. Give us a synopsis. Give us a synopsis of your life. Be loud and proud. What you believe in. First of all, please take some time to introduce yourself to the group. Let us know who you are, not just your name and designation, but go deeper. Give us a synopsis of your life. Be loud and proud. What you believe in. What is your mission in life? Your true purpose on this earth. How did your yoga journey start? Where you are and where you want to go. In other words, what does prosperity mean to you? Define that. How can this group best serve you? Let us know about that as well. And what would you like to contribute to the group? So, I'll go first. My name is Raja Sharma. I am an urban yogi and an entrepreneur. I have developed Manas Yoga, Yoga off the mat, and I have created this group to share this with other yogis. I am also the developer of My Portal X. It is a web-based coaching tool for yoga teachers to support their clients and transform lives. I am also the developer of My Portal X. It is a web-based tool for yoga teachers to support their clients and transform lives. My mission in life is to bring out the true knowledge of yoga. I have, I have developed Manas Yoga with this purpose in mind. This is Yoga 2.0. It begins where traditional or contemporary yoga stops. It's a fusion of quantum science, human behavior dynamics, and yoga as the technology for consciousness. Look, yoga is not just about asanas. A little bit of Look, yoga is not just about asanas and a little bit of meditation. It goes a lot deeper. It's a science to manifest the life that you desire. I can talk about this all day long. I'm very passionate about this. This is my mission, my path, my purpose. But I'll stick to the format for this introduction and we'll talk about Patanjali's Purusharth, the Dharma, Karma, Earth and Moksha, and all that stuff later on in the trainings. Secondly, I want to make sure people understand that this is not just a mindset. Secondly, I want to make sure people understand it is not the mindset that creates the results. It is a shift in consciousness, and yoga can help us create a shift in this. This is where the knowledge of Panchvayu and Panchkosha and all that stuff that you learn in the yoga classes comes into play. About my journey, I am a chef. About my yoga journey, well, I am a chef, a restaurateur, and a nightclub owner by profession. This was in my past career. I did not choose yoga. Yoga chose me. It's in my DNA. I call it my divine natural attributes. It just comes to me naturally. Last 12 years or so, yoga has taken over my life. I make a good living at it and it has become my life. It just comes to me naturally. Last 12 years or so, I have been teaching yoga and it has taken over my life. I make a good living at it and I want to share the same knowledge with other yoga teachers. It breaks my heart to see the yoga teachers struggle. And especially when the COVID happened, I decided to come out. The best support. Secondly, I want to make sure people understand that it is not the mindset that creates. Secondly, I want to make sure people see that it is not the mindset that creates the result. It is a shift in consciousness. And yoga can help us create that shift.